for retail banking and wealth management. Module A, we are in retail assets now. So follow this video completely. Today we will be studying retail assets. What are the important retail assets for banking? We will be covering all the important ones, which are used in 99%. Okay, there can be many. In fact, retail assets comprise almost 15 to 20 products, but 90% which are used will be covering that. So follow this video completely. Download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app you will be getting all the premium study material, current affairs, job alerts, live lectures, live classes, plus notes, plus test series, everything. Okay, subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel you will be getting all the updates related to CAIIB and also free YouTube series. Okay, these are the two new batches we have started. Join them ASAP because portion has changed. Remember, there's a completely new portion, so join it. I'll come on this later. Okay, let's start. So what are the major retail lending products? Mainly, what is retail? I'm talking 1000 times I've told retail, but what is retail? What is the difference between, what is the other thing then? See here, banking is generally of two types. One is retail, second is corporate. Actually there are 6 types of banking: retail banking, corporate banking, merchant banking, then various other various banking. Means we also do the banking system in taking the risk of IPOs. That is basically a part of merchant banking, so that is also done. Okay, universal banking, thousands of banking, but mainly retail and wholesale or corporate, you can call it. Retail and corporate, these are the two main banks. Retail means they cater to the common citizen, savings account, current account, all those. And corporate means they target the corporate customers, all the, not only Reliance. Here corporate means immediately what comes to our mind is Reliance, Tata's and all these, Adani. No, not these ones. These are there, but there are also other corporates who are smaller ones, but they also constitute corporate banking. So today's focus is retail. Okay, individual customers. Okay, so major retail products. Here we will only cover the important parts of this which are asked in the exam, not everything in detail. Okay, and there is a separate section on each one. Home loans, there is a separate video. Okay, home improvement loans, auto loans, there is a separate video on this. So today we will be covering the summary of all these. So home loans, for purchase or construction of a new or old house or a flat or extension of an already built house. Now understand this, purchase or construction, both the things. I can directly purchase a new flat, or I can construct a land, purchase a land and construct a house on that. But important part is, whenever I purchase the land, I should build the house on that. Otherwise what will happen? What will I do? I'll just purchase the land, keep it with me for 5 years, take the home loan and buy the land using that home loan, keep the land with me and then sell the land. So that is not allowed. You have to build the house. Construction of a new or a old house. So old house is also allowed. I can purchase a old house, okay, demolish it, or if it is possible I can use the same house and make the changes in that, right? Extension of already built house, this is also an home loan part. Means if I am already having a house with me and that is almost 3 rooms, now I want to make 2 more rooms. Okay, so for that also home loan can be given. So basically remember, home loan is given for residential purpose. So what is the security for this? Always in home loan we take the prime security as the home which is being constructed. Okay, clear? Shall I move on? Type yes in the comment section if you have understood this concept. Okay, home improvement or decor loans. Decor means what? Decoration. Okay, so what is the home improvement? Means I am having a home, I don't want to build a next room, another room. Okay, I don't want any new room. In the same home I want to do the decoration. I want to change my plaster, I want to change my furniture. All these come under home improvement loans. For repair, renovation, upgradation, painting, other repair. So everywhere it's a home improvement loan. See here, generally home improvement loan carries a bit higher rate of interest than the home loans. Okay, a bit higher rate, because this is a type of commercial loan, isn't it? Auto loans, to buy a new, old new car, old car, two-wheeler, etc. Two-wheeler loans generally banks don't prefer. I'll tell you. Means that is a fact. Because why? Two-wheeler, the cost of the two-wheeler is roughly what? 50, 60, 70,000, right? So banks feel that, see, 70,000 same documentation, and even if I give you the car loan of around 10 lakhs, then also same documentation, because documentation remains the same. So banks always prefer to give the loans to cars. And in cars also banks prefer new cars, not old cars. Because why? Old cars, there is a problem. What is the level, what is the status of that car? How much the car has been used? We don't understand the technicalities of that, isn't it? Somebody tells you, brings a car in front of you and tells that, see, this car is the new one, everything colored, new colored. Do you know the internals of that car? What has happened to that engine? How much that engine has run? What is the wear and tear? We don't know. So that's why bankers always prefer new cars. But I'll tell you important part. Old car is a huge market in India. Huge market. Now all the major companies have come into the old car business, right? Can you name anyone? Old car business. Which is the new car? Which are the companies which have come up in the old car business now? Name anyone. Right? True Value, correct. Car Becho. All these things are in the old car business because it's a huge market. Okay. So how do the banks finance this auto loans? Here, whenever you finance any auto loan, let it be two-wheeler, four-wheeler, first and foremost thing which you have to do is get your name registered on the RC book. Book means nowadays it's a card. There's no book as such. On the RC of that car. So that up to the time the loan is not repaid, your name remains on that RC. Otherwise what will happen? That person will take a loan from you, and if your name is not registered on the RC book, means hypothecated to you, then the person may sell that car or two-wheeler to anyone else without your knowledge. Because the HP hypothecation is done in that. In home loans we do the mortgage, right? Move on. Okay, what are the types of assignments which we do? Means we take the assets. How do we take it? In home loans we take mortgage. In auto loans we take what? HP hypothecation. What are the other loans? Although they might not be in the other in the retail sector. Pledge, lien, right? Pledge, lien, and third one is assignment, right? So these are the five ways in which we assign the security to us, right? Mortgage, type fast in the comment section. Mortgage, second, HP hypothecation, correct. Third, fast, pledge, correct. Fourth, lien, correct. Fifth is assignment. Type fast in the comment section. Everyone type fast. Assignment. Okay. Move on. Personal loans. Now personal loans are unsecured. Okay. There is no security involved in it. Here, backed by personal guarantees. Public sector banks are cautious in the loans due to high rate of defaults. Here, personal loans are unsecured. Unsecured loan means what happens? Generally, there is a probability of default. There is no collateral available. Even if the person defaults, then also you will have to go through all these SARFAESI acts and all those things, and then you will have to even recover it. But as there is no collateral, you don't have anything against that person. Okay. So that's why these are unsecured loans are very risky. Unsecured loans are always given to trustworthy customers whose CIBIL scores are above what? Okay. Personal loans or unsecured loans are given to those persons whose CIBIL scores are above, type fast in the comment section, are above what? Correct. The answer is above 700. If the CIBIL score is above 700, only then banks give the personal loans, unsecured loans to those persons. Okay, because these are trustworthy persons. These have a proven track record. Okay. Okay, now question time. One question for you now. Let me check who can answer this. The form which serves as the database for cross-selling of different products in banks is, which form is used by the banks for cross-selling the products? 1. Account opening form. 2nd, KYC form. 3rd, credit card form. And 4th is both A and B, account opening and KYC. So which form serves as a database for cross-selling the product? What is cross-selling? Who can type the cross-selling? Okay, give me in one line What do you mean by cross selling? In the comment section, type fast in the comment section. What is cross selling? Selling other products to same customer. Correct. Selling other products to same customer. That is the point. Okay. So that is cross selling. Means if somebody is having the savings account with you and he is a savings account holder with you, so what you do is you sell insurance to that person, you sell personal loan to that person, you sell car loan to that person. So you don't have to look forward, look ahead of our customer database. You have to look into only into our customer database, and then you can sell it there and there itself. Okay, got it? Okay, shall I move on? So what is the answer? Yeah, we didn't get the answer over here. What is the answer? Many of you have typed correct, D, both A and B. Account opening form and KYC, because in account opening form we get the details. How much assets do you own? What are your children? How many children do you have? What are your family members? Do you own the house? Do you own a car? All these details are there in these two forms, right? So these things we can definitely use it for our purpose, isn't it? Okay, got it? Move on. Clear? Educational loans. Educational loans, educational courses which include school education including +2 stage, means 12th also, okay? Graduation and post-graduation courses, professional courses, computer certificate courses, all these are eligible for educational loans, okay? The one who is studying in IIMs is also eligible, the one who is studying in the normal college is also eligible. +2, generally it is given +2, so up to 12th. 10th to 12th, means about 10th generally these loans are given, but banks give these loans generally after 12th, okay, generally, but as per the rule it can be given to 10+2 level also, okay, clear? Graduation and post-graduation. Post-graduation means what? Understand this. Post-graduation and graduation can be in India also, can be in abroad also. Both the ways the loans are given, okay? There are various rules for this. For India, what is the loan criteria? For abroad, what is the loan criteria? These all things we'll discuss it in separate video, okay? Only the point is important over here is for educational loans, what is the basic thing we must always have? That admission certificate of that student, means we must be confirmed that the student has got the admission, okay? One more point. Up to what time will the education loan not be repaid? Of course, when the student is, yeah, correct, yeah. What are you answering, you guys? Up to what time the education loan will not be repaid? Correct? Course time plus 1 year. Course time plus 1 year, okay? Means that much moratorium we have to give to that customer. Moratorium means what? Up to that time that customer will not start paying EMIs. Okay, so moratorium plus 1 year generally, okay? Student eligibility. Student should be an Indian national and should have a secured admission to professional technical courses through entrance test, selection process, or secured admission to foreign university institution or Indian also. It is available to foreign as well as Indian. Both the universities it is available, okay? So this is, we must get a secured admission copy of that. See here, this is important. Secured admission means that person has got the admission. That is very much important. Credit card. The concept behind the credit card is buy now, pay later. Buy now means what? It's basically based on consumerism. Buy anything right now and pay later. But you must only buy when you have the capability of paying it later. Otherwise it becomes a headache, okay? There is again the separate video on this. Types of credit card. There are two types of credit card generally, proprietary and co-branded. Proprietary means what? SBI card. It's a proprietary. Proprietary means what? It's SBI is owning that card, okay? And it's card totally of SBI or PNB, PNB's card, BOB card, okay? All these are proprietary cards. What are co-branded? It's like this: SBI plus HPCL. Those petro cards we have this, right? HPCL, okay? Then SBI plus some Flipkart, SBI plus Amazon, or PNB plus Amazon, HDFC Bank plus Amazon, okay? These all co-branded, means two brands are used over here. These are called as co-branded cards. Got it? Clear? Loan against property is a secured loan that is sanctioned against the assets placed as a collateral. See here, LAP and home loan. Many of us get confused in this. LAP is not similar to home loan. Home loan means I am building a new house. LAP means I am already having a house and I am taking that money against that house and using it for some other purpose. Other purpose. That is important. The asset can either be owned land, house, or any other commercial premise. So owned land is also available. Okay, loan against property can be given against land also, house also, commercial premise also. Even if I am having the office, I can take LAP against that also. Okay, so I'll this mortgage this house in the name of the bank and take that money and use it somewhere else. It may not be compulsory for building the new house or something else. Okay, any purpose. LAS, loan against securities, is a loan where you pledge your shares, mutual funds or life insurance policies as collateral to the bank against your loan amount, right? So the LAS can be against shares also, against mutual funds also, against insurance policies also. Okay. Generally 50 to 60% loans are given against these. Means shares means what? I am having those shares in the demat account. So what do I do? So the point is here, how will you do this? Okay, let me ask you one question. In loan against shares, the shares are done what? I'll give you 4 options. Means the shares are what done to the bank? Number 1, mortgaged. Second one, lien. Third one, pledged. Or fourth one, assigned. Okay, mortgage, what? Let's consider HP, mortgage, HP, then pledge, and last one is assigned. What is the correct answer? The shares are mortgaged, HP, pledged, or assigned. Correct. The shares are pledged. Always remember, shares are always pledged. Okay. Now in LIC, life insurance. Okay. For LIC policy, if I take a loan against the LIC policy is done what? Again the same 4 options: mortgage, HP, pledge, or assigned. Which one? Correct? Yes, it is assigned. Insurance is always assigned. Assign. Okay, assign. And this is always pledged. Okay, pledged. In gold loan, tell me what is gold loan. In gold loan, I think so we are having it over here. Gold loan, see this. Gold loan, also called as loan against gold, is a secured loan taken by the borrower from the lender by pledging the gold articles within the range of 18 to 24 carats as a collateral. So depending on the bank, it's taken 18 carat or 24 carat. The loan against provided is certain percentage of gold, typically up to 80% based on the current market. 80% generally banks don't give. Nowadays, looking at the market condition, it has come down to 60%, roughly 60 to 70, depending on the bank to bank. Now see here, there are what NBFCs also. NBFCs give up to 90%. There are certain NBFCs who give up to 90% of the loan of the gold. Okay, even banks give the loans of 60 to 80. Generally, the standard is 60, but in certain conditions, bank can also give up to 80%. Okay, so what is gold done? If I want to take the gold loan from the bank, what will I do with the gold? I will pledge, secure, assign. Okay, 3 options: pledge, secure, assign. What will I do? I will pledge. Correct? That is called as pledged. So gold loan means it is pledged. Okay. So now before going, let me give you the 2 batches again. See this. These are the 2 new batches for JAIIB. Join them ASAP because it's totally a new portion and you are getting huge discounts over here. Discounts are a huge part which you are getting now. Let me show you how to get the discounts. Okay. See this. The discounts. Let's go to Adda 24/7 live. Okay. I'll show you there only. Go to Adda 24/7. See this. You have gone to the website now. On Adda 24/7, see this, click on JAIIB and CAIIB. See this, front page only. Click on JAIIB and CAIIB. You'll see this JAIIB, CAIIB, Mahapack, CAIIB 23, JAIIB 23. Click on JAIIB 23. Okay. Yeah, now you'll see the batches. See this, English batch, bilingual and English. as you prefer. If you want, if you are comfortable in Hindi, you can go for bilingual. Okay, if you are comfortable in English, you can go for English batch. Okay, so I'll show you about English batch. Click on this English batch. Okay, once you click on this, see this, the details arrive over here. Go through the details. When is the batch starting, timings, then 6 days a week, all these things are given. 4 subjects are there, syllabus plan is given over here. Okay, so go through this completely at your ease. I'll cover the main topic. See this, recorded videos are available. Means what? If you miss out any time, means you don't have time for classes, then what happens? You can get the recorded videos also of that live class. Okay, also subject wise expertise is available, ebooks are available, all these things are available. Okay, now look at the fees, 19,999. Don't pay this huge fees. Click on view offers. Once you click on this view offers, put the code. What is the code I told you? Y432, right? It's written in that slides also, Y432. Click on apply. Now look at this, 19,999 reduces to 4,599, 4,599, 77% off. So go for it immediately. Okay, immediately, because you won't get such huge discounts. Validity is 8 months. You won't get such huge discounts, and it's an investment for lifetime. Now I'll show you what is the new portion, right? Because many of us are in the JAIIB, but we don't know the new portion also, right? So I'll show you the new portion. Go through the portion again. Okay, for JAIIB, the new portion is, see this, oh, main part, this felicitation. See this, 8th January, we have arranged for a felicitation program for all the students who have cleared November and December exam. Okay, definitely you also attend if you have cleared it. Tell your friends who have cleared it, they should attend. Adda 24/7 will reimburse your 3-tier ticket for railways on both sides. Okay, yeah. See this, JAIIB, all subjects compulsory, 4 subjects are there: Indian economy and Indian financial system, principles and practices of banking, accounting and financial management for bankers, and retail banking and wealth management. These 2 are earlier also there, PPB and accounting. Okay, these 2 are new ones. There is also a negative marking. Okay, so that's why I'm saying things have become tougher. Join the classes ASAP. I'll be back tomorrow with another